Okay, here today I'm going to show you some top 5 best WhatsApp tips and tricks. Number one trick is going to WhatsApp. After going to WhatsApp, click these three dots and then go to setting. Inside setting, go to storage. Inside storage, you can see photo upload quality. So in here, by default, you see auto is recommended, but you have to choose best quality. In this case, it will help you to upload best quality photos. The second tips is going to disappearing message. If you go to this disappearing message, you can set a timer, maybe like 24 hours, 7 days, and 19 days. So in this case, if you send a message, select one of these timer, the message will vanish after the timer reach. So that is for the third one is send photo at once. If you choose photo and click this number one and then send this photo, so anyone who is sent, he will watch or he can open the photo once. After you open it per once, then the photo will delete itself. So that is for number 3. For number 4 is app language. Maybe you already download WhatsApp and use it with English language, but you have a native language you want to use, so you can change your language to native language, which you can use it. Maybe it will be better for you to use it as your native language, or if you don't mind, you can keep it as an English by default. So the number 5 tips is media visibility. If you go to media visibility and turn on this picture, this will show all newly downloaded files to your gallery. But if you turn off this, any photos or videos sent to you on WhatsApp will not show on your gallery. So that is all, guys. What do you think? Which pizza is better or which one is best? Let me know inside the comment. Please like the video, share it to loved ones, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Peace out.